This is my second year growing the Ashley cucumber, and I am glad I gave it another shot because last year when I grew it, the plant struggled and I didn't get to try that many cucumbers off of it. I think I maybe only got one or two the entire season, and the plant was sad looking for the rest of the summer. And maybe I didn't provide enough nutrients for it, or its location wasn't ideal, or other conditions just weren't very good. But my other cucumber plants didn't struggle as much as this one did last year. But this year, the plant is really just going gangbusters. It's spilling out of the raised bed it's in, and it just wants to grow. This variety is technically a slicing variety, and it is supposed to be good for hot and humid climates, and it is also supposedly resistant to downy mildew. This plant so far this year has been a heavy producer for me with just one plant, and every day I've been picking at least one or two of these. It's like you blink, and then suddenly there is a cucumber that is ready for picking. I like to pick my cucumbers a little on the smaller side to avoid bitterness, so I'm going to grab one of these and take it inside to talk about the taste. So here we are. I'm just going to slice this up, and I've been eating these and I have been liking them, but I haven't really thought about how I would describe their flavor. But I have to say, it's got a nice yet mild, sweet flavor, and it is nice and crisp, but has a decently thin skin. And again, this is considered a slicer variety, but there's no rules here. We can pickle it. So I'm just going to do a small batch of quick refrigerator pickles just to get an idea of how they are as a pickle. And it doesn't have to be complicated. I just take my cucumber slices and put them into a jar, and then I add some salt and some vinegar and water and stir it up a little bit, and then pop it in the fridge and wait about 1 to 2 days before trying them. I like making pickles this way. It's fast and easy, and I just like to keep things simple. You can add some sugar to your brine to balance out any tartness, or you could add spices for a little more flavor, but that's totally up to you. So I'll go ahead and pop the lid on this jar and put it in the refrigerator and come back in 2 days. All right, it has been 2 days, so let's go ahead and taste test these quick refrigerator pickles. And yeah, I mean, that tastes like a pickle to me. It has good crunch and flavor, and yes, you can make pickles out of any kind of cucumber. Some are just kind of marketed as being better for pickles than other varieties, but I think with how productive this variety is, it would be a good variety to choose if you did want to make larger batches of pickles. But the way I pickle things, they'd be best consumed within a month or so. So if you did want longer term storage, then you might want to actually do some proper canning for your pickles for those larger batches. But for me, I don't have the space and I like to eat pretty seasonally. Overall, I would say I do recommend the Ashley cucumber. It is quite productive, and even if the production were to slow down over the summer, it has already produced an amount that I would feel like it was still worth growing. But there are no signs of the plant slowing down. It looks like it's only going to ramp up production as the summer goes on. I am so glad I gave this variety another chance because I definitely want to keep it in my cucumber lineup, and my cucumber lineups are a lot smaller than my tomato or pepper lineups. So if I want to keep something in my cucumber lineup, then I really like it. So if you haven't tried the Ashley cucumber, give it a try because it's definitely worth growing.